What up, squad? Welcome to the blog. It's your boy Guns. What's going down? We're back with another video, man. Right now, we're about to go head out and check out some vehicles. They got another car show, so we're about to go do that, except this one is more supercars. So let's go do that. Today, the slingshot to go there, man. Last time we took the BM. Today, we're taking the slingshot. You know? Enjoy these last few days of nice weather. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get out of here, man. All right, guys. So what's going on is we are at the Imola car show. It's the 11th annual car show for their open house. So what Imola is just a tune-up place where they fix and repair vehicles. As you can see right now, I'm in the garage. They be doing a lot of luxury vehicles, imports, all types of vehicles, man. So yeah, let's go check out more cars though. It's at 8. Looks like the older model. Yo, this Aston Martin though is fire. Well, some wheels. Yo, guys, you're not gonna believe what they have here, man. They got, I don't know if you can go with. Hold on, I'm gonna see if we can go with them. Give me a sec. I'm gonna check this out. Yo, don't judge me, man. I ended up coming with the car super dirty. I didn't get time to wash it, man. As you can see, I even got like mud from the back tire coming up. Alright, squad, I'm back at the crib now. About to end this video right here. Something quick for y'all. I'm with my babe. So what's up?
Yeah? What's up?
Alright, it's YouTube. So what do you tell them when it's YouTube?
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.